Do you want to know if getting into Tesla stock is a generational investment opportunity right now? Here we are. It is mid-June 2022, everybody. And with the market downturn in tech stocks and certainly Tesla stock coming down, some analysts say it is an opportunity. Getting into Tesla stock is an opportunity to create generational wealth. What's going on, everybody? It's John here. I do videos on investing as well as real estate. I'm also going to be coming out with some programs and more content on short and medium term vacation rentals because I've done 700 plus short and medium term rentals over the last many years through properties in Southern California. Okay, everybody, I'm going to take you into basically a great article on Tesla. Here we are again. It is Wednesday. It is June 22nd, the second day of summer. And we have some analysts saying that they see great potential upside. When I say great, what they mean is 69% plus upside with their price targets on Tesla, saying with the downturn that we've had pretty much since January, the tech stocks have been absolutely crushed. Certainly Tesla has come down a lot as well. Almost, not exactly, but almost 50% of their market cap has been basically evaporated, right? And I'm going to take you into this article, and then also I'm going to talk about two other things. Number one, I've done a financial analysis for you, a very brief financial analysis of the trailing 12 months revenues and gross profits and year-over-year revenue growth rate for Tesla, as well as I did a video recently on Tesla stock. Tesla is going to request from their board in August that they split their stock 3-for-1, right? So it's going to be actually cheaper to get that stock. So we're going to go ahead and take a look right now and see if Tesla, see what you guys think. Is it an opportunity to get in and create generational wealth? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Tesla stock sell-off created a generational investment opportunity, analyst says. The recent sell-off in Tesla stock has created a generational investment opportunity and one of the most compelling growth stories, said Garrett Nelson, an analyst. He believes the electric vehicle maker has long-term potential similar to technology disruptors such as Apple and Amazon several years ago. Nelson believes the stock has been unfairly punished from a broad tech sell-off, growing recession fears, COVID-19 related production issues, Elon Musk's buyout bid for Twitter, and the effect of increasing competition and costs on earnings. The stock has tumbled 32.7 year-to-date as of today, June 22nd. Actually, I'm sorry, through Tuesday. Yesterday, the stock was up over 11%, so that's a big, that'll have an effect on the market cap, of course. While the S&P 500 is down, has dropped 21%. In our view, the factors have overshadowed several key positives in the Tesla story: exceptional operational and earnings execution, future production growth from the recent startup of Austin and Berlin factories, dramatic balance sheet improvement, and an impressive pipeline of future products, Nelson wrote in notes with clients. He said longer term, his stock price target of 1,200, which implies 69% upside from Tuesday's closing price of 711.11. So there we go, everybody. So that is the actual article. So another thing I'm going to do, let's take a look at their price here real quick. So here it is. It is, again, it's Wednesday, and Tesla stock was down today, not even 1%. But, if you take a look at their price, we got a 52-week range. The 52-week low is 720, and the closing price today, so it's after market hours, right? It's 709. That's, reasonably close. When I did the video, it was last week on the Tesla stock split. I'll go ahead and I'm going to link to that video here in this video. It was really close to the 52-week low, but you figure, 709, I mean, that's still relatively close to 620 for the purposes of identifying it as an opportunity, right? So, it's within 15%. It's within about 14%. Range of that 52-week low of 620. It definitely seems compelling. And then, we've got that market cap at 735. So again, 52-week range right here, 620 to 1,200. Current price is 709. So everybody, what we could do is take a look at the financials. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you know about Elon Musk. Everybody knows about Elon Musk, the richest man on earth at this point. And you should know the electric vehicle story and how far ahead they are of everyone else. And opportunities like this don't always come often, right? Where if the stock is down almost 40% from its high, here we are, we're pretty close to the 52-week low. It's a great growth story. Had you bought Tesla in January 2020, you could have 10x your investment, into 2021, which is, obviously also very rare in life. But if you take a look at their financials, I got the handy dandy spreadsheet here. What we have here is, again, I updated the price today, 709.40. We got a market cap of 735. What we have is the most recently reported trailing 12-month revenues at 62,190,000,000, right? Then we got the most recently reported gross profit, again, most recently reported 12-month gross profit at 16,850 billion. So that's a pretty healthy margin, right? Certainly compared to other automobile companies at 27%. And then we've got the 12 months prior. So again, the way that I did this is I've actually kind of had about a 6-month break where I wasn't doing financial videos because the market was really crashing so hard and other reasons. But basically, what I typically like to go fiscal year end to fiscal year end, and always like to look at 12-month figures in terms of revenues and gross profits. But what I did is I took the most recently reported trailing 12-month revenues and the most recently reported trailing 12-month gross profit to understand what their most recently reported gross profit percentage figure is, and then also compare that to the 12 months prior ending, let's say 2020, right? So if you take a look at that, here we have the 12 months, revenue ending the end of 2020, which is a little bit more than a year, certainly, at 31,536,000,000. So we have a year-over-year revenue growth rate of 97%. That's actually very high. If you think about it, even if you just have 35% of a year-over-year revenue growth, what that means is that that company is doubling every 3 years. So to have something like Tesla, as big as they are, almost a double, in a 12-month, year-over-year revenue reporting span. And again, it is a little bit more than 12 months, but it's certainly not more than 18 months, right? That's a fantastic growth story, and certainly, in my view, presents an opportunity, right? I will say that their market cap is a little. One of the things I look at too is taking their market cap and then dividing that into taking their annual gross profits and then dividing that into their market cap. It is a little bit higher compared to some of the other opportunities out there. Like, for example, with the market downturn, we've had Facebook come down a lot. They're about 50% of what their stock price is about 50% of what it used to be, meaning their market cap is 50% of what it used to be. And then also Google has come down some. They haven't come down nearly as much. Google and Alphabet have not come down nearly as much as Facebook and Netflix, but they still are down. In any case, both Facebook and Google, their figures, and I haven't updated it for the purposes of this spreadsheet, right here on this video, but their figures are both under 10. Facebook is about 5, meaning their annual gross profits into their market cap is about 5, which is quite low. That's a very low multiple, meaning like obviously their annual gross profits are only 5 times what their market cap is, and then respectively Google is about 9, right? So their annual gross profits are about 9 times what their market cap is, or the reverse. Their market cap is 9 times what their annual gross profit is, right? So for Tesla, we have the figure of 43. So let's say for the purposes of this video, Tesla is 4x, right? So that multiple of market cap, how much bigger the market cap is to the annual gross profits. Google, it's about 9, and then Tesla, it's about 43. So Tesla is about 4 times the multiple of Google, but at the same time, you have a compelling growth story with Tesla compared to Google, where they've got 97% year-over-year revenue growth when you look at annual revenues, right? So those are some of the financials for Tesla. So what do you think? Here it is. Again, it's the second day of summer, 2022, and things might get worse, but then again, things might get better. So we really never know. But the fact is that I don't know what you guys are going to do, but for me, I call it really simple dollar cost averaging. It seems to be a very opportune time to maybe put some dollars to work, in Tesla. And if now's not the right time, hey, maybe July will be the right time. And if July's not the right time, maybe August will be the right time. But it seems like with a growth story like Tesla, it would be certainly, wise. It would certainly be a better idea, in my view, a better idea than not to actually put some money to work in, let's say, June, July, and August when it comes to Tesla. Let me know in the comment section what you think. What you think about Tesla in terms of is it a good opportunity now at that roughly $700 billion market cap relative to their growth story and their earnings story and everything going on there. And then also their stock split, which is again, Tesla's going to present it to their board in August of 2022, right? Okay, everybody, if you like this, if you like seeing investment ideas, pretty much come up with investment ideas every week, and I put them on here, go ahead and give the video a like and consider subscribing if you would like. Also, I do have a little bit of a background in investing, well, more than a little. First job out of college was Merrill Lynch, then I did some investment banking and also worked for Sun America in Los Angeles for 3 years and have been investing in stocks since 1989. I'm a Gen Xer and also was part of the whole .com explosion. Well, I guess the ride up, I rode that wave and then the explosion of it as well. Everybody, hopefully you like that. Again, if you want to see more videos like that, go ahead and give the video a like and consider subscribing. Thank you very much and have a great day.